Hi everybody, it's Lavinia. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to use my acrylic paint markers in this black sketchbook. So it has black sketchbook paper. I used this sketchbook to paint this rooster, also with acrylic markers, and I thought I would try this peacock. So I have here, I just used a number 2 pencil just to draw out a peacock here on a branch. And I have here some scrap paper just to pick out the colors, but I've pulled out my blues, some greens, and some browns for the branch. I'll probably then use maybe black and yellow for the eye and the beak. So I think first what I'll do is I'll start with a lighter color. So let me see what these look like here. I use a combination of both. Okay, so I think I'm actually going to start with a little bit of this darker one, just to start here with the feathers. I'm just doing the outline right now. That, and then just making some wispy feathers here. I did put some areas where I would want maybe the eyes of the feathers to be, but I'm going to just go over them a little bit. Just using some light strokes. And I like the way the paint sits on top of the paper, unlike the mixed media paper where the ink or the paint sinks in. So it's definitely a different look. And it's much softer on the nib as well. I haven't used this sketchbook much, but I have used it for some white charcoal pencil that I have. I think it's a General's white charcoal pencil, and I should use it more, even for metallic watercolors. It's not watercolor paper, so I would just have to use it very lightly. Or put not as much water. Okay, so, and here's this wing, back of the wing, and then maybe here at the front. Top edge of this wing. Okay. Now I'm going to use this other blue. This is definitely a different look than with the mixed media paper. Don't know if you can see that there, but you can see how it remains on top. I actually like that. Definitely need to use the sketchbook more. Okay, then maybe here. And you can see also some, I think, some of that light blue might be on the tip, or either that or just the way that it's coloring in on this black paper. Then here, we'll probably use this teal color, maybe. Okay. And let's see, so maybe I will take the white. There we go. Either the white or that light blue. And I think let me try first this white and see what it looks like. Making like a teardrop shape, like that. And I can always cover it again with paint if I need to, with the other color paints. And now I'll start putting in some of that blue. Maybe I will put in this darker blue first. And even though this is a blue on the black paper, depending how the light hits it, it almost looks purple, which is actually great since peacocks do have some of that purple in them as well, in their feathers. Okay, and then let's see. Is this teal? Let's see how that looks if I were to put just a dot here. I like that. That's that, and let's see. Maybe I can add a little bit more of that darker green here. I'm just kind of pressing down. Okay. Maybe a little bit more of that darker blue here. Oops, sorry, coming up here. And let's see. Just gonna add more to that wing there. Take a little bit of this white and just put some more feathers here. Just dotting. So that it looks like that. And then maybe here for the top of these feathers, I will just put a white dot. And then I'll add some blue. I'll let that dry in the meantime, but I'm going to take some yellow. Not sure if that might be too bright of a yellow. I'm going to take, I think this color here might be okay. Yes, I'm going to use this for the beak. I actually like the way that looks on the black paper. And let's see, maybe a dot of blue, maybe a dot of green, that teal, for the eye. Like that. And now I'll go back to perhaps this darker blue, this one here. And I'll add that to the center of the blue, or excuse me, of the white, just so that it stands out a little bit. And let's see, maybe I'll use this very light blue here just to put some of these lines here for the feather. Okay, see how that's looking. Just want to cover up a little bit of that black. Some of this lightest blue here, just to put more feathers there like that. Now I'll do this branch. So I have this darker brown. I'm just going over it a few times just because it's on this black paper and just to make it stand out a little bit more. And I'm going to, whoops, sorry about that, going to use the lighter brown and just put that on top. Some green for the leaves. I like the way it makes that almost like a dual color. Let's see here. going to bring this branch here to connect. There we go. So maybe also here, it looks like I'm missing, just to bring that down. All right, so I think I'm done. So let me know what you think of this. I really like the way, again, it turned out on this paper. So that you see that there. So let me know what you think in the comments section. If you have these markers or if you have other acrylic markers, let me know if you try this out. And thanks so much for watching. I hope you like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.